really excited about that. We got to pick up parts at my house. Here we are. We're doing the tank bracket for the PCTV. Where's that piece of billet? Oh, there. Pipe radius soon. Look up the air system. Let's do this. Yeah. This is crazy. Here we go, guys. Tank up. Pretty cool. Yeah, when it's all done and complete, just we just gotta get up the.
We'll settle up something, make it worth your while.
Oh well, thanks, dude. You know what? You can. Yeah, it's not gonna be a burrito. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. All right, guys. Let's hear what this thing sounds like. Robert, you are on deck. Give it a shot.
Pretty good.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Badass. Yeah. So next we're going to finish up the compressor system on the Hemrawd here and get the lever and actuator done. And we're talking about a compressor upgrade, probably 150 psi.
Fucking A.
I think so, because yeah, it sounds great. It's just not enough.
Not enough oomph. It needs a little more pressure.
Yeah. So I think a train whistle. I think a train horn's next for the bug. So I think the bug needs a train horn.
Or like an actual
like a Kale Darling.
Trumpet.
Yeah. I think the bug's going to get a train horn next.